Let's talk about how to create a new category in PowerSchool. First, from your assignments page or from your class page, you're going to go over to the grading button on the left-hand side of the screen. Choose Categories, and then go to the plus at the top right. You may select Category, and now we're creating a new category. We might make a category name called, for instance, Homework. When we select that category, you'll notice that it says this category name is already in use. If that's true, you need to use a different name, maybe Assignments. Then you can choose which classes it applies to. The class at the top is the current class you are working with, so typically you will want to select that, but maybe there are others that have that same category you'd like to add. Once you have chosen the classes, you can go to which color you would like this to be. Perhaps you want it to be green. Ensure that it is an active status, as if it's inactive, you will not be able to use that category. And then you can go to your assignment defaults. In the assignment defaults, you'll notice that we can publish that assignment immediately as it is graded, or you may want to wait until it's the due date or a certain number of days before the due date to show that grade. We can select whether we want scores to be published or not. We can choose what kind of score type we want. If you want to just use points, you would select points. If you want it to be entered as a percentage, you would choose percent. If you want it to be entered as a letter grade, you will choose grade scale. And then there is a selection for collected only, meaning it's either collected or not collected. I'm going to choose grade scale because I typically do letter grades. The number of points I want this assignment to be worth typically is going to be 4. And this is, again, just assignment defaults. This is what it'll set up when you make an assignment initially, and you can make these changes to assignments when you create an assignment. Last, I do want to make sure that my grade is counted in the final grade typically, so I'm going to leave that checked. I can check everything else, make sure I have everything I need, and we're good to go.